Why reach? I don't feel up quick though. Yeah, that quick. That quick. Alright, here what I'm going to do. Cause I'm telling you, you know, say Matterhorn, a general, you know. Yeah, you don't know one of my idol them, cause 13 youth and you don't know a badness come down. But you know, a wartime, so you can't even treat big him up too much cause of wartime. But we still have to show respect. All our respect Matterhorn, bust a blank fame again. People, me I go out with myself, you know. But that's the truth, you don't know the Japanese in there, me kill it long time, no. But me I go out with myself. And Matterhorn, you see the first song I'm going to play and I don't fit up. Me not disrespect you, me I show you your respect. Cause you're general. So me I go play that song for you.
You see Notorious them, we no big friend. No big.
Me I go show my respect to one night general, but me I kill him tonight.
You see Notorious?
Me respect him, but me I go kill him.
Notorious. So, when the nurse of the pen, when it's about us, I don't want to hold them. Notorious, them at their sound.
Me respect him, but me I go kill him.
When the nurse of the pen, when it's about us, I don't want to hold them. Jump and test Notorious, them not go get done. So they could show them what is the matter with them.
Ready, Matterhorn? Listen, my man. One just piss me off. Cause I have my foreign selection. I think they are going to give you another round. No. I have too much tunes, so I don't want to play some songs for the foreigners them. Some hip-hop dub plate and all them something there. But I still have
Mix Master Chris, Sound Clash Bizz.
Let me tell you something. Big up for the respect. But listen, you will reach where you are going to reach in due time. But you see the look at the young selectors, you always look at Matterhorn as a legend and be like, oh, if you come down now, I cannot step away from the dance hall until you lot elevate to the level. So I can feel safe and know say, yeah, it's in a good hands. Like how I see Chris Diamond them win World Championship. You have to win some more championship. And like me I tell people, you can't give your little 16-year-old the car if you go drive and you don't know if them can manage your car. You have to show me say you can manage your car. Then me say, alright, you're good to go. Done. So stinking Shaba, we win the clash last year and I talk about we win last year. I care darkness.
1, 2,
after the time, you have to cry.
4.
You talk about content. Tell me what.
We no care where we super win class from. We are the real class champion. We win one in a Mumbai, how we take one a London. I want Matterhorn, one done. I should be beat and ready to make it never go home for some. Yeah, where we super clash.
Here we go. After each tune for tune by both Matterhorn and Shaba, we have vote. So we are going to do the first vote now. All who say Shaba, feed around their wall, you go put up your 2 hands in the ear. 2 hands in the ear. 2 hands in the ear. Good, put them down. All who say Matterhorn, take that round, they put 2 hands in the ear. 2 hands in the ear. Alright, put them down. And the first to 10 enough. But who win 6 straight, get it.
Remember what me last year? What are you cheat the game though? When you play carton in a don't fit up. I am dinosaur. You cheat the game with the boy. You cheat the game. Anyway, as me tell you now, I'm not telling you, it's a try me study bright as a clash against Matterhorn, you know, in a real life, you know. I can't tell you play, alright. And this time you're going to hear you.
And trying to bring the war and they hiding behind closed doors.
The war not done it.
The time not to one shot and kill those 4.
The war not done it.
Tell yourself to the time in a gift. Yeah.
Listen.
Why then it's not.
Matterhorn, you win a one song, don't get too excited in that.
We
don't
know.
get over yourself. The war not done yet. Remember what happened last year. Watch it.
You are not done till the whole of them dead. Magnancy rifle, bust off the head. A murder, some boy are dead. Gunshot, block out in head.
John Gong, I'm mad now, I'm gonna kill it.
Alright. You see like how me a bill you to become a new champion sometime in the future. I'm gonna teach you why I said earlier a little lion when you see a dinosaur, a lion normally run the opposite way. Because a dinosaur is too much of a challenge. I played a Vibes Cartel, right? He played a Vibes Cartel, right? Well, as a general, I have to show him why I'm a general, right? So I am going to play something that no Japanese sound, no Europe sound, no sound in America, nobody around the world cannot do. Because you have to be a real bad man to do this.
Gun buckle, you know. Where's the other? Box them anyway.
Mavado Cartel, this! You can't follow
Mix
this!
Master Chris, Sound Clash Bizz.
Mavado, start it! Gun buckle! Gun buckle! Bobby! Now stop the song! Gun buckle, gun buckle, gun buckle! Matterhorn! In the world, we don't tackle, you know. Gun buckle! You might be wondering, how the hell he got Mavado and Cartel? Because I'm the Don. Cartel! Tell it!
When we rise up to it, we now go run, we are go beat it.
Don't stop it!
Come and just live fun, we are go
Let me teach you, Shaba.
So what just have them?
Let me teach you. Let me teach you.
Start and get at them, say one don't believe it. Make sure you get a good.
Watch out, me teach you.
Cause when we see me, I beat it.
Come here, come here. Level. Come here. Come here. Him come from Kingston 13. The same place I am from. But me born before him. So me better than him. So if him feels them bad, Cartel, tell him so.
Hey, whenever you find out, make a thing, go fi carry the pussy, anything where you have, we not go, we not have to be looking at the running, we ready for stop, king in the running.
Wheel it! The people never come for war, so war! Around few that you know. Round few that you know. All who say, Matterhorn for the round there. 2 hands in the air, please, and thanks for Mrs. Up. Put down your hands, please. All who say, Notorious Shaba for the round there, put up the hand there, please, and thanks. Don't tell the lie. Don't tell the lie. Put up the hand there, Mrs. Up. Beautiful. Put down the anthem. Round 3. Shaba.
Matterhorn, you just called me out. Come here. You just called me out. I call you out black. And you say, you teach me. That him say no. He might teach me. Say, I'm a teacher. But me still I go kill you. And I think it's fair to say, after me kill him, me can go kill the rest of the dinosaur them. So you say, yeah, test me skill. Yeah, test me. Alright. Him play with him and wipe out. That's the wipe out rhythm. That's Cartel and Mavado. But this is one of the baddest songs on the rhythm to hear ya.
Hey, gringo. Get my pistolero.
One Notorious big sound.
Matterhorn!
Champion sound.
You see that I say here, yeah? Him say my teach me. That's what to the students shall be the teacher. Level. All I want something to defend myself. Go down the ear. That's it, why?
It would be good if it was actually true and factual. But as I said, a good youth. But yeah, alright. Give him that one then. Because you have to encourage them. They are the future, you know. They are the future. But I am from Mars. You notice me say the terminology man from Mars? Meaning from another world, another planet. So like how we there at Jamaica and you feel like you want to size up. So you're there on the earth and you feel like you want to size up with me because you think I'm an earthling. So let me go further away in the galaxy. Can you come up here, sir? Can you come up here, sir? Drop it.
Sound killer. 50 Cent. Tony Matterhorn, you know how we get down, nigga. Johnny Killer, you heard? Tony Matterhorn. Sound killer.
Come up here, son, and look at the eyes. Come up here, sir. Come up here, sir. Up here, sir. 50 Cent.
Tony Matterhorn.
What up? What up? What up? Are you stopping for?
Son killer. 50 Cent.
I teach you.
Matterhorn, you know how we get down,
So
nigga.
I'm sure you want me about.
Tony Matterhorn.
What?
Son
What?
killer.
What? You ever got to say about? Let's be out Brooklyn. What?
Tony Matterhorn.
What up? Lever.
Sonny killer, you heard?
You know why them don't like me? Let me tell you something.
Right? Nobody likes me, but that's okay, cause I like y'all anyway.
Life say Mama kill me. Life does you say Mama kill me. Hey boy, Shaba.
You say you a sound killer, but you never pop none. You say you a wankster, you niggas
Step around. We know how much time. We know how much time. Shaba, roll it. Hold on. Jaja got it. Hold on, eh? Around 4 with it now. Who just went that round there a while ago? All who say Matterhorn, put on the 2 on them. Put on the on them. All who say Shaba, put on the 2 on them and see something. Put on the on them and see something. Alright. Put it down. Shower, work feet.
My forward look good a while ago, you know.
Yes, work.
He look good a while
Yes,
ago.
I work.
Yes.
Alright.
Me a work for it.
Work.
Matterhorn, come here, sir. You call me out, me call you out black. Remember, you're a teacher, you know. So you have to teach the student them right. People, I know he was going to play that 50 Cent. Come here, sir. Come here, forward here, sir. Stand up here, sir, man. I know he was going to play that 50 Cent. We can't play 50 Cent, but I can play 49 cents. That means him 1 cent of more me. Matterhorn, no move. Turn up here, sir. This name counteraction. This is 49 cents. Here you.
Look that way there again.
Listen.
Yo. Working us.
Listen.
It's gonna be a bad song.
You know what the forward in our first part. Monthly killer the surprise. Listen carefully, listen.
Mix Master Chris. Sound Clash Bizz. Sound I got dead over Sunfest. Especially some boy where with them wanna self them obsessed. We not come for class but them a gonna last this time. Tonight we kill a legend we pass him prime. Matterhorn. At 2025, nobody not afraid of you. Forward there, you move like a hater so. Sound Clash with them, which part fear ago. By the way, your biggest boss a dirty wine, and that was 20 years ago. Things that we forget when you did the past stage, I hung up and puffy. Like our mom did this, we should have did war Kentucky. I show up with a house you barely won. Get catching a more mix up than Lee and Bailey phone. By the way, we have to like a yellow and half mother. Big up mama magic, enough respect and honor. The killer, your DJ. One man killer tell the world walk my way. Notorious, say when you tell your mother bad man, name your colors.
Shaba! All you say, Shaba, they tell you the same work, you know. Godfather. That's a nice joke, Shaba. Now you start get a little creative, but oh, the microphone is out. What am I going to microphone? That I give you a B plus. Try. Not me no bias. No, that was creative. That's how they're supposed to do. Be creative. But we have too much song where have him name customized. I don't feel like I play none of them there. As me tell you, say, I lead, I don't follow. I play my 50 cent, you play 40 something cent. You notice I have to lead. If me go follow him, I'm gonna do one of them there, then a joke thing. So I'm gonna show you something. Shaba, if Marie is there, I'll see that too. You know how we kill people?
Could do walk from Maxfield when here. Say my war Matterhorn I'm up here. Him never walk with him Japanese girl, and I'm a follow back all over the world. Him say, yeah, I love you, don't let me take some face money. But be afraid. Him a war with Tony Matterhorn, and then they don't shot man or ram out him woman. Boy, oh, and then they shot man.
teacher say, yes, student. You hear him play a song about the Japanese girl named Marie. People, we know where John Curry go do. Marie just sent me that plate of our WhatsApp. We know what Matterhorn. Hey, Machi, you didn't even know where you do. More want to listen keenly. When Maria Elephant Man to be tell Matterhorn about be here.
Yo, all who wants to sound dead, put up the two and them na the ear so. All who wants to sound dead, and up na the ear so, and up na the ear. No. Yo, little Shaba, look on them two Japanese.
What Marie then?
Hi ladies.
Hey, Elephant Man.
Where you from?
I come from Tokyo, Japan.
What you doing in Jamaica, ladies?
Me come to Jamaica to kill Tony Matterhorn.
Yeah.
Tony Matterhorn, him chat too much, so we are gonna kill him and send him to Mars.
So you're not kill the African too?
We kill him already.
You see them boy there? On the thing them boy they do a beer talking about plastic rice and them yam dog fin. Boy you something big. Oh him know him must in him the thing about cat boy must be ready to beat him. Marry what you think? Kill him sing like how the child is sing. Yeah.
Matterhorn with your string.
Well, look how Shaba them fin know say that big.
Yo. Listen to me. Let me say what I did say earlier now. All who say the two sound them are going good make nice now. Don't tell no lie. All who say the two sound them are going good make some nice. One more left in the clip, you know. So who just win the round there a while ago? Let me ask a question. All who say Shaba take the round there, lift up your two and them. Don't tell the lie. Hold on. No for that. Look at that. Put on down. All who say Matterhorn take your round, lift up the two and them now. Put on and them. Matterhorn. Last in the clip.
You don't tell the people in my whole league. Me tie up the road now. A few, we know over till it over. It no over till it over. I see them thing them the last year when I beat them though.
You know, say
it no over till over.
Yeah, him can't count, you know, but... Wow.
Well, I 3-2, me not no problem.
Wow.
But there's no him no win yet. Kinda done yet. Alright, a 3-2.
A big people time now.
3-2.
Because the last time I check a 4-1, but
3-2.
It doesn't matter, we just do it for the fun and the enjoyment of the people. You hear me now? Shaba, a serious people time now. Because we have different levels. We do the joke and we do the... Yeah. Big people time now. Big up the man that know tune and know music. Big people time.
If you tell a bribe to leave us a lot.
No matter what you say.
Tonight, we no care where them sound come from.
Different thing now.
Make glad you play that. I already run out of steam, you know. Yes, then them brother, then you just a play a jump up song. I see them now. You run out of
Mix Master Chris, Song Clash Bizz.
Big people talk about big people time, yes. Matterhorn, you talk about big people time. I'm glad you're dinosaur. What you call me? One look lion. Here where lion I go to here. Yeah.
Try without telling them big sound.
Here where lion I go. Bobby.
Hello, Notorious. Rush them like that Red Bull. Mix with the Martin. Cut them like that.
3-3.
Wanna say GG? Hold on, calm down. All who say Matterhorn take your own, put up your hand, let me see, because we can't tell you who. Put on the hand there. All who say Shaba take your own, put on the two hand there. The winner of the round is Shaba. 3-all. Play ball. You know, say, we're not judge right, but it doesn't really matter. Turn on the side. Shaba, Just take your life, car. I play with intelligence and all. You ever talk about jump up tune? I got like a ton load of cartel can play. Me now you know the jump up thing. Me a big man. Me I play a big paper song. Tune!
For the one and only the mentally ill one, you done.
Shaba,
use this and kick out a song boy.
Let me teach you music. You think you can jump up all night? Me I show you how to play music.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Shaba, listen this. Listen this. Hear this.
Why don't you take your own life? Somebody make it and you can't deny. And I want
you think you can let that jump up? Listen it.
Not whatever you do.
Shaba, you're a legend.
Remember, no one loves you, Shaba. No matter what, you're just gonna be a small guy.
I agree with that song there, but me I work for my love in my music. Them by a legendary, you know, you pay your dues. But me not pay my dues yet. Me I work for my own. All I will say me for work, say walk. Say walk, shot boy.
No,
wait, no, wait. That's why marriage is there. Oh, hold up. I went to pay off. I'm money run. Calm down. No press figure till me say truth. Matterhorn. People don't realize him run up on the first one. Near lead. And him boil down right there. So you know why him boil?
No lean Bizz around here. Lincoln Sugar Mine that original dance on champions. I want some here, so I just show them how to stay. Roll it off, hey. Enough of them are early face setters. Journey get enough song where won't catch. But them a won't like. And them alone run things. Now go work.
Hold on. No. Ready? All who say Shaba, 2 hands in the ear, no. Looking at crowd, looking at crowd. All who say Shaba, put up your 2 hands in the ear, no. Put up your hand now. All who say Matterhorn, take your own. Hold on. All who say Matterhorn, take your own, put up your hand, son. Matterhorn is the winner of that round. You know, look, you don't even know. Listen, man, listen. I love how Shaba go on, as me say. A good youth, but still, as a general, I can't just play the jump up one night. I go on the 2 round out of jump up. I mean, I'm whole league. But as me tell you, they are fat. You notice me never play my sizzler 8 me now, my national anthem. I never play the national anthem, but I show Shaba say music bigger than the whole away. You have to know music. Because you can't play in a dance. You have people under 20, people over 20, people over 30, people over 40 in here. You have every kind of people in here. You have to play music and show people so you represent the country. Listen to this. You think me tour the world just because I jump up?
Hey yo, you know I'm respecting you, Jack. It's just bossy and done. See? No more mental ill. Done the place. Matterhorn. Shine that green light down. You're dead. I found out what I've been missing. Always on the run. But now here comes Matterhorn.
Matterhorn, I don't really make it. I mean, you should have played that song. How you miss? How you miss? You miss your man? When I miss my wife, I mean, you should have played that song. Don't make it. Matterhorn! In a tune for tune, that song the kind of light and weak, dog. You see what go on, and me if you end up a teacher, you know, you see a student and learn. Dirty drunk crow. When you play tune for tune, and this you should have played here. Matterhorn here, and this you should have played. And this you should have played. Mommy, you see tonight.
Some boy run when Notorious gonna bust. I kid it so, I'm at no fuck.
Voting forward again. Voting forward again. All who say Shaba, 2 hand in the ear. Look, you know, look. All who say, put them down. All who say Matterhorn, put your 2 hand in the ear. Let me try that one more time. All who say Shaba, 2 hand in the ear. Put on the hand them. All who say Matterhorn, 2 hand in the ear. Put on the hand them. We know the winner, Shaba. Again. 4 all. People, it doesn't matter the score, I'm just playing music for you. Now we don't know what I'm going. Sure. Shaba. Now you see say you learn. She say I'm a great teacher. If me never go big tune and say, you show them say you know big tune. You would have still do the jump up like you want to go frog. You see it, Chris? Well play. Sunday gone night. Shaba, you know which year that song that come out? You know which year? Well, let's see that song here. That song here come out February 1972.
Mix Master Chris, Song Clash Bizz.
1972. Hold that one here.
Yeah. Big up Tony Matterhorn and Johnny Killer. Sound, rhythm, come down. Na 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 na. Hey.
Where you know about our music? Where you know about our culture?
All sing pan, all jump and sound boy. Look how long we want to
I follow Uno. We just play festival music. Alright, you are Matterhorn. You hear him say me that follow him earlier. And through my teacher, in teach, that is it. That's why you have to teach us properly. Children live what they. Children live what they. So you have to teach us properly. Okay? If said that song that come out one here. Well, 2025 now, Matterhorn, we have Google. We just Google, welcome to the new world. You don't know what going on, we have Google. We just Google that song here. That song here come out 1964. And them said that brother, them say reggae music, the name reggae. Yeah.
Get some boy.
No. Get a hand in the air, so.
Yeah. Matterhorn.
No.
I say yeah.
Election fund again. All who say Matterhorn take you round, 2 hand in the ear. All who say Matterhorn take you round, put the 2 hand them in the ear. Put up your hand them. All who say Notorious Shaba take you round, put up your 2 hand them in the ear. Una look. So what is score now? 5-4 in favor of Shaba. Let's go. One more. Let me tell you something. I said I am beating and teaching them. You see me I teach them? Look here. Who them go crown king? Who them go crown king tomorrow? Vibes Cartel. But from night we play, I want to play the first dancehall king. So we can play the first dance king.
You have to know that it's Splicer.
I'm the king. Cartel, I'm the king tomorrow. What you want to hear?
Zumbo, zumbo, go, zumbo, zen. Zumbo, 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 zen. Pass the paper, say pass me the pen. But if you have a start, you must
We tell you that sometimes the student get better than being the teacher. Oi! You say it wrong now. You teach me wrong now. I feel like I never school, you know. After Yellow Man, who was the next king? Beanie Man. Oh, you reach a cartel so quick. After Yellow Man, here comes King Beanie Man. Now, after Beanie Man, later they're going to crown Vice Cartel. That's what you should tell me, sir. Where wrong with him? You know, he might get old. He might get too old now, you know. Matterhorn, when you pass on the crown, this is supposed to be the proper song. Matterhorn, you see you? As a bigger general to a smaller general here, we're going to deal with you. Intelligently. Intelligently.
Pure disrespect.
Matterhorn.
Disrespect.
Matterhorn. Intelligently. Intelligently.
Disrespect. So good you stay beside now. Notorious.
Somebody say election. Somebody say election. Somebody say me want vote no. Somebody say me want vote no. All who are say Matterhorn, just take the round. They don't tell me a lie. Put up your two hands in the air. Put on your hand. I'm going to repeat the question. Put on your hand again. Mommy T will look like the statue of Jesus. Put on your hand. Jesus Christ, like statue. All who say Matterhorn, just win the round. They put up your two hands again, please. Put on your hand. Take your time, mommy. Put on your hand. All who say Notorious Shaba, just take your round. Put up your two hands them. In the ear. Which, ladies and gentlemen, based on the final results, it would definitely mean that now, with Shaba winning that last round, he would be at 6 to 4. Over 5-5.
So, hold on.
Yes, Matterhorn.
I have something to say. Let me tell you something. Me's a Piscean, so I'm not really business, you know. I just start my mind. From night, we win the clash. And we just stay there, I want to now vote all night. Then we just start that. You notice them go on and I go on. You notice, me not get angry, no time for the all. We never do them. We know what I do, you know, but we don't have to do it, because everybody don't see where they want. First, we're going to say 3 rounds, we win the 3 rounds, them, which we shouldn't even have gone to tune for tune, but we just do it for the fun of the people. Allow me to tell? Allow me to tell? We just want to allow me to tell? Allow me to tell? So we just have to do it for the culture and for sportsmanship. So we don't have to go on like we don't want to rap the guy. We don't rap. And, well, joke this. Like, seriously? We just do it.
Based upon the judge's ruling,
Mixmaster Chris, Sound Clash Bizz.
Ask the judging panel one more time if we're having one more round or we're declaring a winner. We're declaring a winner. Declaring a winner.
Well, after declaring a winner, don't do me this. No, Matterhorn just start make me talk. Don't do me this. All of us say me win the clash 2-1 in the year. Me fight. You say me if you fight and me fight. You lean out. And me watch if you lean and you get tired and me start shooting. Me fight.
I lean out the call and
Me fight, yes.
me beat this man a whole night and just how easy it is
Yo,
to get through.
Judge, oi. Declare me as the winner now. Crown me now.
Alright, if you want take the one.
Yeah.
I say one for them selector, one for the winner.
Alright, people got here.
Why do you say Matterhorn? Tonight every soundboy
You know
knows
just
that
been
one
able to
that kill
stop and
everything
do
in the
that one
line.
body now.
Yo, sweet
Come on.
Cocotti, representing
man.
for Matterhorn. Kick!
Yeah.
I make you all of them dead off tonight. Why?
Take the one for the time. All when them a try ready. You see now?
Watch this. Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a coffin. Whoa. No, that's a mistake. Make them do. Mr. One for them select.
From night you get beat now. Them try everything for bring you back.
They see that Matterhorn
Revive.
taking over.
And joke this.
Taking over. Well, I jump and stop.
When you say Matterhorn go home. Matterhorn, me done win already. I used to fight. And I fight until you. Me wrong and me right. You dead though. If we stop complaining and taking bean, no. All I will say Matterhorn we taking bean, put up your hand here. Hear ya. Matterhorn, goodbye.
Some guys
Matterhorn, goodbye. Matterhorn, goodbye.
gonna say
Matterhorn, goodbye.
Some boy take your beating, you can't deny.
Shaba, you know you're dead. You did a good fight, but you know you're dead. Yeah, no, Shaba, from night, you all play 45, you play back every song. It just, we just do it for the fun. But big up to each and everyone who come out and enjoy the night. We just do it for the fun, because from first round, if we're serious, you lock off long time. Because you play back more 5 sizzler, you play back 2, come on. If dead from round 1,
who will show the respect all night? Now me I say I respect Matterhorn as the general.
Big up the youth.
Yes. That's why it's Matterhorn. You know what you have to do as a general. I'm very smooth. Wait no. See as a general like them I gonna do later. Just pass on the crown no man. Pass the torch, give me. Yes. Pass the torch, give me man.
No,
you said earlier. When the young youth them do the right work, when you feel like you can let them through, you pass on the torch. Pass it, give me now, you're dead. Pass it, you're dead.
Oh, if you dead, I'm in turn up here, sir. You really want me to show you, sir? A dinosaur.
We already began here, so we